If you are one of the many people who has to deal with the ugly side of toenail fungus, don't worry, there is something you can do about it. First, do not think that you have to buy the most high-priced product or treatment there on the market. Simply using a natural treatment for your fungus problem may be all you need. There are some companies who spend a lot of time using ingredients that do not work and may cause side effects. Look for products that are made from natural herbs. Something for you to consider: fungi loves to feed off of organic debris no matter where it comes from, people or plants. So, fungus that grows on your toenail feeds from the protein that your toenail produce. Plants have developed ways to rid itself of fungus. Therefore, if plants have ways of fighting fungi, why shouldn't you use the extracts and oils from feces plants to help you fight against toenail fungus? Now, finding the right fungus treatment that has the plant oils that you are searching for might be a little tricky. You need a product that contains a natural antifungal oil such as tea tree oil. As a matter of fact, studies have shown that tea tree oil is a real useful antifungal with real benefits. If you want, you can use the tea tree oil for toenail fungus alone, but it is considered much more powerful when it is combined with other antifungal oils. Also look for clove and jojoba oils, because oils such as jojoba oils can have other ingredients for nail fungus within it. So, when you begin your search, make sure the product has tea tree oil for toe fungus. Natural treatment for toenail fungus is the safest way to go because there are no dangerous side effects connected with the products that are made to cure nail fungus. Be very careful when it comes to prescription drugs for nail fungus. Why? Because these drugs may interfere with medication you are already taking. Please, speak with your doctor before taking any treatments for toenail or fingernail fungus. Remember, natural remedies may be your best remedy. But it is always best to be safe. To sum it all up, look for natural remedies for toe fungus. Make sure the product contains tea tree oil, plus other fungi-fighting oils. These are just some of the things you should know about toenail fungus treatments. You do not have to have a prescription for over-the-counter nail fungus treatment. Remember, be safe, take with your doctor. Div class.